Alright guys, so you've already gone in and got make MKV to basically rip your Blu-ray or your movies. You've set your output file, and after that gets done, you'll probably end up with something like this. I've already messed with this file, and this file, so don't mind the titles. I mean the name of the files, but you'll get something like this, and of course the title. If you press Control I on VLC, you'll get the title. So of course you'll want to rename all of these, and once you do that, I use FileBot, but once you rename them, most likely the names won't get changed in the MKV file. It'll still be it'll be the episode, but the title inside the actual MKV file won't be what you want. So here to help you guys get that, and also get the SRT files into the MKV so that you don't, so your MKV file is more universal. So let me show you guys what this batch file can do, and this batch file will operate on many identical MKV files. So if it's like a season, it'll have a certain amount of subtitles or audio files. So this right here, this first code, what it does is it goes in, and this will be the path on your computer, but it goes in and uses MKV Pro Edit, which is a sub program, I believe, of MKV Tonix. You also need to download this. And basically the path goes in and it edits the title of the actual let me go over here. It edits title of, this whatever you set it to on FileBot, to whatever the file name is. The second one here is for the SRT. So you guys want to insert an SRT. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So this right here, the second code, here's the path on your computer to MKV Verge, and then of course you'll keep going, and this right here, the tada, is going to be the new folder that will be created with the muxed MKV files. And then this right here is the audio track, and of course we're going to keep 1 and 3, and then the subtitles we're going to do 100, because 100 doesn't exist for these videos. And the reason why I do that is because I don't want the PGS subtitle files that are already in there, and so we want SRT. So what you'll need to do is get another program called Subtitle Edit, and before you run your batch folder, batch file, I mean, you're going to go to it, and you'll select the track. So track 6 is not what I want. I want track 8. It's gonna parse it. I'm gonna speed this up for you guys. So yeah, so this program, it will look at the PGS subtitles that are already in that already come with the MKV, and I use Tesseract 3.02. 4.1 is pretty slow. It's like takes double the time. It's a bit more accurate, but it still messes up. I prefer the Tesseract 3.02 because of its speed. And then you're going to start at OCR, I mean, and then on right here, the unknown words will show up. If it's something in Japanese or a different language, of course, it's going to pop up. And once you click on them, you'll just have to go over here, whatever your selection is, and just edit it on here and click OK. But yeah, once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and save it, and I've already saved one. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to run the code I'm gonna drop this here, and then I'm gonna get the episode. You need the episode to be the same name. So here we are. So we've got our batch file here. Here's what it's gonna do. It's gonna keep audio track 1 and 3, and it's gonna look for 100, but 100 doesn't exist. I showed you guys earlier that it goes up to 8. So we're gonna click 100, and basically the SRT will be inserted into the MKV file. And if you guys are wondering what I mean by the tracks, I'm gonna load up MKV Toolnix, and we're gonna throw this right here in there, and here we are. So this is track 0, track 1, track 2, track 3, and basically here track 1 and 3, the reason why I want them is because they're the HD master DTS audio files, so I prefer those over the normal stereo. So yeah, let's run it. Oh, and I'm gonna speed this up. Alright guys, it's done. Let's go into the tada folder that I was telling you guys where the fix file will be. Let's open this up. Control I to show you guys that the name has been changed. Title has been changed. And then what we press here is we go to audio tracks, and you see my first audio track was English, third one was Japanese. We go to subtitles, and there we go, one subtitle, and it's gonna be the SRT, but I'm gonna prove it to you guys here. MKV Toolnix. There we go, and then we're just gonna throw the file onto there, open it up. Alright, so track 1, track 3, and then the SRT. And there you guys have it.